good morning. So, basically, it's just not good, man. I slept for now, right now 8 hours and 22 minutes. That's huge. It is huge. I should not sleep this much. So, it literally bura lag raha, I should not sleep this much. I slept at like 1:30 or something like that. I was doing the studying lectures yesterday night, and I suddenly have planned to do the lectures till 4 o'clock, 3 4 o'clock. But how in the world I slept like anything? I don't know. So I need to work on this because study ही नहीं हो रहा है यार मेरे को है ना मेरे को ऐसे बहुत कस्तरी हो रहा है स्टडी ही नहीं हो रहा है ग्रो ही नहीं हो रहा है कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है just sitting playing not good man मेरे को ऐसे I'm literally not feeling good कहाँ क्या मेरे को क्या करना है I need to implement the things but I'm not able to implement the things man कैसे करने हैं यार from tomorrow what we'll do we'll sleep and थोड़ा सेटअप ही बदलेंगे क्योंकि मैं बेड पे सो के मैं कर रहा हूँ ना आई हैव एनालाइज मैं सो के बेड पे रात को मैं सो रहा हूँ तभी मैं कर रहा हूँ माय गॉड क्या मस्त क्लाउड्स है तभी मैं स्टडी कर रहा हूँ तो इसके वजह से मैं भी हो रहा है मतलब नींद तो आ रही है ऑफकोर्स तो बेड पे सोते स्टडी कैसे मैन दैट इज प्लेन समवेयर मेरे को न्यूयॉर्क को जाना है यार सो के सोने ना चलेगा I literally woke up at in morning I just woke up at like 4:30 or something like that like 4 hours something sleep and I just woke up for washroom and then I was like brother will wake up at after 15 at 5 o'clock but कसला का है आपको बताया मैंने मेरे को उठाओ जल्दी कसला का है no one no one gives a fuck and I woke up at like shit right now time is 9 p.m. man it's not given good time for waking up fuck it's bad it was worse brother and morning ऐसी morning चालू हुई तो damn it अभी there is no time for doing the lecture I have to stay with that girl that small kid or else if I don't then नाराज हो जाएंगे सब and ये this is not time to make ना them नाराज तो एक ही ऑप्शन है मेरे पास रहा कि मैं सेटअप रात को मैं ना सेटअप चेंज करूँ बेड की जगह मैं बाहर बैठूंगा चेयर डाल के वहाँ पे स्टडी करूंगा और एल्स आई विल वेक अप इन मॉर्निंग आई विल पुट द अलार्म नो मैटर व्हाट आई डोंट केयर एनीवन वेक्स अप बिकॉज ऑफ दैट 6 बजे मैं अलार्म लगा के रखूँ बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा है कि सब रेडी भी होके बैठे हैं एंड आई वाज लाइक फक हाउ उठे तुम लोग तो अयो ये देखो मेरे पास देख रही थी कौन है ड्रैगन फ्लाई so yeah I will keep the alarm for 6 o'clock yeah basically this is fuck गेम चल रहा है 2 ड्रैगन फ्लाइज का तो ऐसे है मेरी कहानी मैन दिस इज नाउ वी हैव मिस्ड अ ट्रेड one trade is 1:4 1:5 man this is beautiful I mean see our analysis is beautiful our analysis is going great second thing is we have messed up with the trades and our JPY is now kind of coming into profit I haven't checked it I have checked it somewhat I check it I don't know मेरे को शायद इमेजिन हो रहा है कि और JPY थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट में आ रहा है बट वी हैव केम आउट फ्रॉम ब्रेक इवन वी हैव मेस्ड अप विद द ट्रेड सो दिस वीक देयर इज नो अर्निंग नेक्स्ट वीक का देखते हैं बट अभी नेक्स्ट वीक का इशू है कि आई हैवंट ब्रिंग द लैपटॉप आई नीड अ लैपटॉप to do the things ऐसे करने का देखना पड़ेगा should I do the trading for next or should I just let's try to do the analysis on phone if analysis हो रहा है अच्छी से phone में ठीक है नहीं तो will not take the trade better not to take the trade rather than taking the trade and doing the losses right next week मेरे को यहाँ पे 13 दिन यहाँ पे रुकने 13-14 दिन तो Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday अच्छा 7 2 weeks बोले तो कल 13 सितंबर को हुआ था 13 and 20 आज 23 आज 19 2022 that is only like 4 days are remaining beautiful that means next week at the end of the next week I can able to go home beautiful so that I can do the thing I mean do the learning start the learning focus on trading things and I just this is all my mistake. My mistake was I haven't wake up in the morning. I haven't put the alarm. I was doing lectures in a bed where people. I completely agree my mistake. Now I'm analyzing the mistake. Now I'm making that just what we can do. This is what we can do, brother. Oh, I'm missing it. It feels like see look at the sky man. Look at beautiful sky. Hold on man. when I see the sky like this, I feel like I'm somewhere in America or like somewhere like New York or something like that. Like this, and if I'm watching down, I'm able to see the big buildings. And if I'm looking back, penthouse, and I'm standing in the gallery of a painting. But it is somewhere different. You want the reality? Hold on. Let's just give the POV of reality. So I'm watching the sky, okay, and now if I'm watching down, this is what the bade buildings if we talk about, and this is what my penthouse is going to be. So, but this is what the reality is. I'm not standing in my penthouse. I'm not standing in the gallery of my penthouse. If I'm watching here, the thing is this is what the POV of reality, brother. Today's Friday. Today's Friday, right? Yeah, today's Friday. So we need to. वो alarm बंद कर देते और मेरे को नहीं. When I share the screen, then I will. So today's Friday. Most probably the trades are gone, brother. The trades we were interested are gone. So let's see. Let's check the. Can we take the any trade? Just go on the screen and let's analyze the currencies which were shortlisted. Can we have a trade in this? But अगर वो TGR का strategy हुआ रहता तो maybe we could be taking a trade on a TGR basis. मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है. मेरे को एकदम I need time, brother. I need time to. I have time, but I'm mismanaging with that. From tomorrow ये नहीं होगा. हाँ और पूरा 1 week भी remaining और 7 days, 6-7 days are remaining. Brother ऐसे रह के नहीं चले यार. I have to sleep less. I have to sleep 4-5 hours. No, 5 hours. I have to sleep 5 hours. I have to do 5 hours and rest 10 hours. I have to do time first. I have to. I mean there is have. I mean now the kids are of sister and those sister उनका ही brother is no more now. I have to. If I didn't take care then I'm not the guy who they expect to be from. It is high time to do this, but it is also high time to do my course. I'm trying to managing something, but it is what it is. Let's just share the screen. Yeah, pretty much this is. I will close this sleep time. I slept up like something 1:15 or something like that. Yeah. I literally haven't tracked the sleeping time. When I woke up, the trading study was still ongoing because big chilling. There is no productive is going happening here. The trading study timer was still on because I have slept while watching the lecture, so I didn't even got time to change the timer from trading study to sleep. But then I realized I remember 1 o'clock का अलार्म बजा था मेरे फ़ोन में. मे भी मैंने उसको साइड को किया रहेगा. 1 o'clock का नो नहीं है. हाँ राइट. GBPNZ 1 day. This guy is beautiful. Okay. I love this trade, brother. I seriously love this trade. Oh, we could take this trade, brother. Oh my god, we could take this trade. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, look worse in this thing. 15 got bullish. 30 minutes also got bullish. 1 hour, beautiful engulfing. Oh man, this was a trade, brother. Brother, this was a trade, but suddenly the rocket is getting exhausted. Rocket fuel is getting exhausted. कब तक चलेगा ये? I don't think so. It can, go more big. This could be like a scalping, something like that. Man, मेरे को plane कहाँ जा रहा है? It feels like that's my plane to go to New York or Dubai or somewhere else, something like that. Miami. Oh fuck. TDs. Yeah. So now this is a low. 33, 35. Let's round for 35. 35 plus 1 4. 49. 49. 49. 49. 49. And the take profit is going to be 1:2. Daily. Daily has beautifully retaced to this area, previous area, and now we just skip this out. 1:2 minimum, 1:2 should be there. Less than that, it's pretty much not good. So basically, now daily structure is too big. No, brother, no, this is no trade. The already move is done. I don't think so. It has very high probable. Fuck, bro, fuck. I will throw off my phone now. I saw that you. Fucking saw that. See this is the issue of. Fuck. This is the reason. This is the issue of things we should not play around with the trade. और एक प्लेन जा रहा है मैन. यहाँ पे पास में ही शिरडी एयरपोर्ट बोल के एयरपोर्ट है. Damn, look at that. My analysis was so true. It just worked out without taking me. Holy crap, brother. So basically how much I lost without doing anything? I lost like by doing things. I lost almost 4,560. Funded account password there. Jeez. See this, see brother, see this. Just look at this. The stop loss nahi hit हुआ 1:2 का take profit hit होने का है. Man, we did a mistake. We did a mistake. I was anticipating that this is going to pull back, but this pullback is going to be taking us up break even. Next day candle is going to push candle. What happens? Why I took this for break even? Because 4 hours got bullish and 4 hours got bullish. So daily is also bullish. Weekly is also bullish. That is making a super high risk trade. But the thing is, it needs that retracement to go up. But now it is. Man, I should not play around with the trade. I have learned a beautiful. Abhi tak, if I could just do the things. Hold on, make a check. Hold on. I haven't done anything, brother. I just wake up and took the phone and I saw this time. I just literally came on terrace. I'm literally just talking with you by not doing anything. I didn't do brush. I just wake up, brother. I still look good. Yeah, I know. See this? My analysis was correct. 100% win rate रहता है यार. Okay. Yes, regret आएगा. I'm just not. I'm not focusing on money. Money is just a number on the screen. I'm focusing on the things. I'm getting good at trading. First thing first. That's a beautiful thing. जो मैं analysis कर रहा हूँ वही exactly true हो रहा है. Advertisement. The second thing is our move is confirmed. Logic was beautiful. Logic was also confirmed. The third thing is we messed around with the trades. This is what we learned in our day. Week 1 of passing the funded account mission. We have learned that we should not fuck around with the trade. We should not play around. We should not go break even. We should just take the entry and just set and forget. If I don't play around with the trades, even backtesting में play around नहीं करते. Backtesting में either entry, either stop loss or either take profit. That's why the win rate and that's why the result was beautiful. In this thing, I have messed around with the trade. Why did I even mess around? If I don't mess around with the trades, I could कसला काय could. तो वहाँ पे 1:4 and यहाँ पर लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट नंबर्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट परसेंटेज. वहाँ पे GBP NZD में 4% मिला रहता आराम से. एंड इसमें 1:2 currently ongoing. So 6% to 4 GBP NZD, 2% of odd GPYs, 4, 5, 6. Total 6% was there, and that 6%, and we are already up about 2.5%. So that 2.5 plus how much? 2.5 plus 4, 2.5 plus 6, 4, 5, 6, yes. 6% profit and 2.5% already in. So 6, 7, 8.5. Fuck, and we need just 8% to pass this funded account. ये वीक में अपना मिशन सक्सेस हुआ रहता. I was so close. I did a mistake. ऐसा मारा मारो. But I can't do anything now. I just can't do anything. This is what the psychology comes in. Now, this is what my learning is. I must not mess up with trade. I will just take the entry and just take profit and this stop loss. That is only it. I have learned this lesson, and now I'm going to work on this lesson for sure. It is just simple, man. It is just simple. Take the trade and just fuck off. Just fucking off. Do not go to break even. Do not take the take profit. Do not go to the break even. Just stop loss or straight take profit. That is fucking it. I messed around with the trade. अगर मैंने mess around नहीं किया रहता, I could pass the funded account, and that's probably the mission, and may 99% ahead रहता from my goals. Everything is like if else. We should not talk about if else, and literally I'm talking, but this is what it is. I literally learned this mistake, and now from next week onwards I'm just going to take the trade. I don't care for profit, I don't care fucking loss. I'll just care about this. And अगर जो अपना funded account है $5,000 का, उसके ऊपर 6% of 6.5%, right? So 6.5% on that, 6.5% of 5,000 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, that's pretty much a salary of a kind of a normal person. That will be my weekly profit. Fuck, that's Sheesh. If and else, so this is what I'm losing. This is what I'm losing. I'm making myself understand. This is what I'm losing by messing around with the trade. I should not mess around with the trade. I'm repeating this millions and millions of times. I should not mess around with the trade. Either I take that, either I should do every single thing possible way before taking a trade. Once I take the trade, that is fucking good. That is fucking good. So, is there any opportunity to take the trade right now? Not really. The move is already done. GBP USD, we need a retracement to this area of interest, and now we have a body candle closure above. Looks like it's not pretty much good. No. We did body candle closure above. Yeah, we can expect this to push, but whenever we are below, maybe we are selling. Yeah, this is the area. Gyu ka badly. So pretty much we are in a support zone. Right now I think so this weekly candle is going to be closed like this, because if we just extend this whenever we are below of this area of interest, we are selling, and we are not in the above, we are not in the below, we are in the middle of that. Yeah, pretty much I'm good with this. We can check it later on. Euro, I need a 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours got bearish, the retracement skill that. 4 hours got bullish with that. No. So this trade, wait. Euro. Upar. So Euro, I will waiting for 4 hours to go bearish. London session में may be हो सकता है, but let me check it out. Can it possible? Yeah, once 4 hours get bearish, that will be given a daily engulfing candle. Yeah, beautiful. I don't think so it is going to get pump up like this. I will waiting for the Monday to get open, Monday London session, and then one for that daily engulfing candle with having the wick pullback to that area of interest. That wick pullback will be 4 hours lower high to take the trade. That will be our best setup to take the trade. So Euro, I'm good with that. Maybe on Monday. So beautiful. This was also a trade we can able to take, brother. Exactly the way I'm saying, exactly it happening. We could actually take this trade, but this was super counter trade. But the things which I have predicted exactly, just saw the previous video. I said that this is creating the lower high to create a lower low. It just did that. But I was not confident on this trade because the 4 hours is being choppy and everything was not working good. So I was good with that trade. Hard cat, जिससे मैंने predict किया, man. The move is getting confirmed. I mean, the move is exactly happening the way it must. But I want the 4 hours to go bullish, which haven't happened. But if we just can see, it is making the trend lower. This is low. This is lower high. Structure. Actually, this is not lower low. But it is what it is. The 4 hours got bearish, and once the 4 hours literally got bearish, it just melt off like anything. GBP NZD, I think so it is going to do this, but I'm good. That is like kind of high risk trade. Already move is done. Pretty much I'm good with this. So we circle back to original. So if we could take all this trade, सारे trade लिया रहते ना, there is no loss. All the profits was there. I will stop the screen recording and I will come back to the camera. Beautiful things. Damn it. We missed it. We have to agree. We have missed almost like a lot of percentage, brother. A lot of percentage. See. First thing first, we are understanding what our mistake is. Second thing, we are going to get good in that. Yeah, we're just going to take the trade, stop loss, take profit. That is what it is. I'm just going to forget, or I'm just going to throw my phone somewhere else. That is what going to make us money more and there's some messing around with the trades. Yeah, pretty much this is it. This is what mistake we have learned. I'm repeating 10 millions number of times, so pretty much this is what it is. I'm doing the TGR lectures. Probably so वो lecture खत्म भी हो गया रहेगा. I have downloaded the lectures. Pretty much it is what it is. The lectures are good, the way he explaining it is super knowledgeable. I mean, जो भी questions, doubts, every single thing is getting clear there. Where I seriously, structure and etc. It is like complicated, and they are like taking the super high risk trade. Even everything is bullish. I mean, I just wanted to understand what they are doing so that I can take that thing and like get into my trading thing, we could do that. So pretty much I understand, kind of. I haven't done that full lectures. I have done the psychology sections. I've done the psychology section. I've done the intro call. Now it was the time to do the marketing. It was time to do the market. अच्छा भाला फेक करता का वर दोरी. So pretty much, yeah. So let's go down. Let's get down. Go down. We see. The summary of this week is now there is no trade. Today's Friday. That was beautiful. Two trades. We have missed the two trades. Beautiful. We have to accept that. We have to be a man to be accepting that. We could. I mean, we could pass the challenge. We literally could pass the challenge if we just do nothing and just stay away from this phone. After we take the trade, we should not mess up with round trades. Once I take the trade, not doing analysis of that at all. I understand this. So pretty much we are a good trader, a lot of good trader. I mean, we are a good analyst. We are a very good analyst. The thing is, we're not a good trader. What is the definition of good trader? Good trader is just taking the trade and doing nothing. That is the definition of good trader. And right now, what I was doing, I was taking the trade and then reanalyzing the trade on the go. That is not a good thing. काय ग? आली बाबा उठली. नाही, मी खाली आहे. उठली तू? उठली तू? Good morning. Good morning. High five. High five. हे बघ high five. तोंड नाही धुतलं तू? तोंड नाही धुतलं? So pretty much this is it. मारू नको. सकाळी सकाळी पळायचं नाही. काय करतेस तू? नाही, मी तुझं महागच येणार. आलो. बघ आलो बघ. नाही येत ना ग. बाय. खाली चालली आहे. टाटा. ओके बाय. चाललो इकडे. बघ ठेव मी कुठं चाललो. इकडे चाललो मी. होय. कोण डोकत होता? बाय. टाटा. बाय. चालीस तू खाली. बाय. तू मला बघायला आलीस? काय बघितलं मग मला? तुला काय वाटतं मी आंघोळ केली का? मी खूपच वाईट दिसतो का मी? चांगलं दिसत नाही मी? मग आंघोळ करू का मी? खाली जायचं? काय करायचं आज दिवसभर? ही नको ही पोळी सुकवायला ठेवली. नको हात नको लावतो. तुझे हात खरगटे. खराब तुझे हात. खराब हात नको लावतो पोळींना. So brother, we are very awesome. तुझं मागेच येणार बघ. अच्छा नाही येत. बघ नाही येत. यो
आहे ना.
रागवले. मी तुझं माग नाही. ते कुत्र्याची काय ते रडता येतं तुझं काहीतरी झालं असेल. The mistake we learn is we should not mess around with the trade. We are very awesome analysts. We are very awesome. We're very awesome analysts. We are not a very good trader. Be a very good trader. We just have to execute what the analysis is. I have learned this. This is my week one. Brother, I am become so profitable trader, brother. I am a very profitable analyst, just not a profitable trader. A profitable trader is going to be just listen to what analyst trader is saying. मन असं म्हण ना. टेक द ट्रेड. नाही तू म्हणायचं आहे ते. The good trader is taking the trade and just do nothing. I have took the trade and then I have reanalyzed that on the go, which is not good. Either take profit, either stop loss. Why I take profit and stop loss is getting defined, brother, because the study is there. Somewhere study is there. So I understand this, brother. I got it. So नाही मी घाण टाकली. So to become a good trader, we are just going to become good traders on blink of eye. Literally, 3, 2, 1. I'm a good trader now. I am a good trader. I have the good skills. I have the good trading skills. थांब तिकडे ते धूळ नको उडू. आपण ते पोळ्या खाणार आहे. हे बघ, ह्या पोळ्यामध्ये जर धूळ उडली ना तर ते खराब लागतील, माहिती का? त्यामुळे धूळ नको 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 नको. अगं तो ऐकत नाही ग. येस येस येस. धूळ नको उडू त्याच्यात. मी चाललो खाली. सिप्सट टाकली कशी टाकली. अरे ते धूळ कशाला उडेल त्याच्यावर. आता मम्मा सांग. थांब. येस येस येस. असं चांगलं काम नाही केलं ना तर देव बाप्पा शिक्षा देतो. मम्मीला सांग मी त्यात धूळ उडवली, दगड टाकले, सांग. होय होय होय. अयो, इथे बघ कोण आलं. चला जायचं खाली. येऊन देते खाली हातातलं. चला खाली. आय एम प्रिटी मच नाव. I got cure myself with a blink of eye. Andrew Tate says, if you know what to do, cure yourself by a blink of eye. I blinked my eyes and now I'm a good trader. I'm going to take the trade and either I'm going to go for take profit or either I'm going to go for stop loss. I'm not going to fuck around with the trade. I'm not going to check the trade with a hourly basis. I'm going to check the trade on a daily basis. I'm going to check the trade every single morning at 7 o'clock. That is only it. That is what I'm going to check the trade, and I'm not going to analyze the trade until and unless it is or stop loss. It is so beautiful, man. Why should we check the trade even? We're just going to put the alarm. Once the alarm is hit, that is only it. Beautiful. It's so simple. Do nothing. Fucking do nothing. That is what it is. Now I'm a good trader. मन असं जे म्हणणार मी त्याला बिस्किट देणार रे. जे असं म्हणन त्यांना मी बिस्किट. I am a good trader. Arey, this is so simple, man. I literally got an idea. Why even we are checking on a daily basis? We just can set the alarm. We are going to set the alarm. And I have the alarm application. So beautiful. Not trading view alert. Alarm application. And that alarm application is going to trigger when the price comes to that price. Whenever the alarm hit, that is only the time we are going to check the trade. The rest we are not going to even open the chart. This is so simple thing to do. We are going to do it. So we are just going to do. I'm a good trader. It is so basically it's just do it. तेवढं मोठं दगड. अगं तेवढं मोठं दगड लागत ना गं. अयो किती माती झाली. आता झटक की सगळं. झटक. थांब आलो. किती चिची झालं. चल जायचं खाली. चलो आय एम गोइंग आउट. झालं माझं पोट. अयो ही हेलिकॉप्टर आलं बघ. तुला आवडतं का? ते येतात ना गं. तुमचं नाही घ्यायचं बघ. अयो काम मोबाईल का देऊ. हळू नाहीये. खिशात नाहीये मोबाईल. खिशात नाही मोबाईल. Brother, I just came on terrace and look at just wow, so good. Brother, look at that. I don't know why I'm just getting addicted with the clouds. Like I'm somewhere in the mountains or somewhere near in the. I'm just it really looks good. Look at that cottonness. Oh, that glares. Cotton. So that outline is so attractive. That as well. That one. It is. I don't know. I'm just getting attracted more and more with clouds thing. As more I'm getting good, as more I'm getting this trading, getting so attracted clouds. I literally want to get this trading thing go. आपके पास में ही एयरपोर्ट है, शेरडी एयरपोर्ट बोल के, तो मे बी वहाँ पे लैंड होगा ये. दिख नहीं रहा है. So close, brother, so close. Now I came on terrace. Yes, ये टावल मेरे साथ हमेशा होने वाला है. मतलब ये 10 दिन होने वाला है मेरे साथ. I mean मैं इसको निकाल नहीं सकता. So ये मेरे साथ ही रहेगा. The second thing is now I am going to start doing the lectures right now. I just came silently on terrace and I'm just going to sit on terrace to do the lecture. Just because of अगर वो small kid को पता चल गया कि मैं terrace पे तो आज चली आएगी. Oh my god, रबर निकल गया यार. Now I don't have any रबर. कभी रबर दोनों का रबर निकल गया. इसका तो ऑलरेडी निकला था, इसका था रबर भी निकल गया. इधर नहीं गिरा है ना किधर. Damn it. अवघड झालं आता. Anyways, you have to just stop doing the things just because of rubber गिर गया कुछ हुआ. We have to do what we have to do regardless of how the things are. Stadium and the clouds. I'm just going to sit here. Like I'm going to sit here. Let's do lecture. Okay. He's finding me. Man, help me out. कोण आला? कोण आला? नाही तू नाही. तू खाली ऐक ना साई, इथं नको बसू. इकडं ऊन आहे ना. अगं इथं ऊन आहे. इथं बस. इथं बघ. इथं बस. चल खाली. इथं बस. बघ इथं बस. इथं बघ. इथं बस. इथं बस. तिकडं ऊन आहे ना, तुला गरम होऊन जाईल. बस तिथं. बसा हां. इथं राईट साईडला. इकडं बस. इथं बघ. इथं सरक उजवीकडं. सरक राईट साईडला. सरक राईट साईडला. ठीक आहे आता बस झालं. ओके व्हेरी गुड. हो तर कसं करायचं आपण शेजारी बघ. आता ऊन गेलं तर तू बस थोडा वेळ. बसा आता काय. माझं मस्त लेक्चर चालू होतं. तू कसं काय सापडलं मला. तू कसं काय सापडलं मला. मग घालायची ना चप्पा. मग आता चालली तू बाहेर. मग चिमटा नाही. चिमटा दुखतो. चिमटा असं घ्यायचं नसतो. बघ नाही म्हणलं लगेच अजून मी घेऊ. कोण आलं बघ. बघ कोण आलं. चला वरती चला वरती. त्यांना जाऊ दे. कसा अभ्यास होईल तुझ्यामुळं सांग मला. कसं करू मी अभ्यास. हा काय झालं. काय करायचं तुला. भूत असं थोडी ना करतो. पडन मच्छस ना पडन. हो नको बटन नको पडन. हा ना दाबलं का. ओके मी काय म्हणतो तू जा ना खाली. झोप ना थोडा वेळ. प्लीज जा ना. त्याच्यावर नको सोडू. अरे असं कुठं नको करू. नको पडशील ना. गिरे ना तू. गिरे नको. चला खाली. तू ऐकत नाही ना. चला मी चाललो. जाऊ का मी. उचलून नाही घेत ना. अगं नाही घेत मला उचलून. जड आहे तू. मोबाईल जड आहे का. तू जड आहे खूप. चल पाय. का बरं तुझ्या हातात दिल्यावर असं काय करणार तू. तुझ्या हातात दिलं मी नाही देणार तर काय करशील. नाही दिलं तर काय करशील तू. मम्मी रागवल तुला. मम्मीने जर तुला बघितलं असं ओरडताना वरती तुला लगेच चिमटे घेऊ नको. चिमटे ते बघ चिमटे. मी बोलणार तू बोलत नव्हते. मी बोलत नव्हतो तुझ्यासोबत आणि तू पण नव्हते बोलत ना. तू चिमटे घेत होते ना म्हणून मी बोलत नव्हतो तुझ्यासोबत. हा मग का आली परत. तू चिमटे घेणार आहे का. मग तुझे केस घे साईडला. मला बसतेच नाही. बाय 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 गुड बाय. हो बाय बाय. ओके गुड बाय. मी पण आता लेक्चर करतो. काय झालं. का थांबली तू. चालली ना खाली. हो पाऊस आला. त्यांना सांग आत्याला पाऊस आला सांग. पाऊस कपडे काढायला लागला ते. Hey there, so basically we have avoided the loss here. So we were actually going to take this trade in the morning when I was sharing my screen. This is beautiful trade, but where are we in the daily? We are in a so super top, and plus where are we on the weekly? We are on a weekly where the take profit will be. Take profit must be here. The risk reward doesn't make sense. Where the take profit should be, we were taking the trade there. It doesn't make sense. So that's the reason this trade was not valid. We haven't took the trade and we have saved the loss like anything. So this is beautiful loss saved, but I accept this that we we could have passed this funded account, but it's completely okay. This is not the last. What is this? Last opportunity that we can able to take this trade. Beautiful. This was the opportunity, but this is not the last opportunity. So it's pretty much good. So I was see this is I have downloaded the TJR blueprint. So every single thing I have, I'm actually on it, and I'm actually going to do it. I have down first thing first. I in morning only I was doing the lectures, but when I would download it, it was like certainly it was not completely downloaded. So I did some kind of lectures, but like the all lectures were not included in that particular file. And exporting my issue that's the reason it was not like good. So, but after I exported with very good step by step, then I got every single file which was equilibrium, etc., etc. In the previous export I was like got just 3 to 4 lectures. Now I was like, what the itna hi, how, and still I didn't overthink. I just gone into it and I started doing it. But then I realized, man, a lot of लास्ट लेक्चर जो था वो मतलब वो थर्ड और फोर्थ लेक्चर था वो डायरेक्टली हाउ टू क्रिएट योर ओन स्टडीज में. आई वाज लाइक वे वी हैवंट इवन completed any single concept. Then I realized something is missing here. Then I have exported in a proper way. Then every single thing, every single videos came around. So after TCR I literally have also created the plan which we are going to do is this. Hold on. um wait. I literally typed this in morning only. Oh my god. I typed this in morning, but I don't know where it gone. So basically, hold on. Yeah. So basically, the plan is that we are going to finish this TJR lectures, understand his concept. Then I was thinking to go for ICT. I right now I think about about ICT. This is SMC. ICT is remaining because we don't have laptop. What we are going to do, right? We can't do time pass. We have to do something to get towards our goal. So that is one more thing. We can do ICT, but but in my plan, what was that? Finish the TJR lectures, understand the concept. The second thing is we can't practice the concept. We can practice the concept after going to our home. The second thing was doing the $100 to $1 million challenge of Alex Gonzalez, learning his thought process. We can track the trade. We can, but we can't track the trade because I don't have anything like laptop. I need the big screen. I need that laptop to like properly analyze. Phone में analysis होता है, yes, but it doesn't look good. I mean वो thought process नहीं आता है मेरा. I try to analyze and saw what happened. So maybe second thing, we are going to do the $100 to $1 million challenge of Alex Gonzalez, the old one and a new one. And then we're going to this is pretty much it. This is what maybe going to cover all the 10 days we are going to be here. 13 days. This all the lectures we will be doing, which will cover this day. So so I think so before we start this Alex Gonzalez $100 to $1 million challenge. Oh yes, also before we start $100 to $1 million challenge, we have planned to do the Alex Ka 2024 lecture. Yep. Yes, so after TGR, we're going to do the Alex 2024 whole bootcamp, 32 bootcamp. After that, we're going to go for $100 to $1 million challenge, learning his thought process, not the trade, just process and his lifestyle, way, and every single thing. I literally can see the success into that strategy only. I certainly don't see success into other strategy. Seriously, I mean. It is what it is because I only saw that strategy. I haven't saw other strategies, so I can't judge. But this pretty much what it is. So now I'm thinking to do this. That what our old plan was. First, finish the TGR lecture, and second is go for Alex 2024 bootcamp. I have done this 2 times, but feel like to do it for third time. Now I'm thinking rather than going for this, we can literally do ICT concept, and after Teja we can do ICT concept, and then we can go for Alex 102 million, Alex 2024 bootcamp, then $102 million challenge. That will actually cover. It is going to cover 10 days, but I'm thinking to do is ICT after this lecture. So let's get into it, man. And you won't even believe, countdown has started. This beard, this mustache, hairs are going to get whole ballad. I mean, everything is going to get removed. Countdown started, brother. I look good, isn't it? I'm going to miss my hairs. This is going to be get valid after 10 days, 13 days. So this is pretty much it. Let's dive into the lecture.